Hello everyone, my name is Richard Salinas. I am the Director of Sales for Healthcare on Call. I want to thank you for joining our webinar presentation today. And as you can see, the name of our company is Healthcare on Call, and we are located in McKinney, Texas. So if you guys are in the area, please feel free to stop by. We'd love to meet you and answer any questions that you may have. Now to start, obviously you guys know about the crisis, the healthcare system in the U.S. and based on what's happening right now, there's an antiquated and inefficient healthcare delivery system. Experts agree there's over $100 billion wasted yearly. Over 70% of doctors' office visits are unnecessary, and the average cost is roughly about $153 per visit. Now there's over 66% of all ER visits are non-emergencies. The average cost of each visit is about $1,200 per visit. Now, the physicians are not paid for phone or email consultations, so physicians right now do not have any incentive to lower costs by any means. They are not incentivized to sit there and answer phone calls or emails in a timely fashion. Also, 50 million plus uninsured and tens of millions underinsured. We all know people right now that are having to make decisions between rent, groceries, and basic health care. Right now, employers, there's an ever-rising premiums affecting bottom line. In today's economy, there's an inefficient overuse of expensive doctor and ER visits, which are costing employers over $63 billion a year. Employers are losing billions due to runaway health premiums. There's a full cost of employee absences, which amounts to 36% of payroll, according to Mercer in 2008. Now, new studies finding 7 times greater loss due to presenteeism, sick employees showing up at work, and since 1999, worker contributions to premiums have increased 168% versus wages 50% and inflation 38%. Now, the solution for employers, obviously, our program is designed to lower healthcare costs by up to 25%. Our program is there to add a valuable health benefit. Our program boosts productivity. It's also put in place for a healthier workforce, and it's also there to boost employee morale. Now, the National Center for Policy Analysis states that telemedicine has the potential for restructuring medical care in ways that can solve many of these problems while reducing costs and improving the quality of care. Okay, this is our ultimate protection package, and before I go over it, I want to give you guys some information. 60 to 70% of people that go to the ER, urgent care facility, or doctor's office visit, 9 out of 10 times it's something that's so minor that could have been handled in a different manner, which is why we partnered up with Consult a Doctor. Now, Consult a Doctor gives everyone access to U.S. board-certified licensed physicians by email or by phone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Guys, you get unlimited access to U.S. licensed board-certified physicians by phone or email 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all year round. So it doesn't matter if you're on the road. It doesn't matter if it's 2 in the morning. It doesn't matter if it's 12 in the evening or 12 midnight. Or it doesn't matter. You guys have access to physicians 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, where you can pick up the phone and within minutes, sometimes seconds, you're talking to a U.S. board-certified licensed physician about your symptoms. And if a medication is warranted, our physicians are also able to call in a prescription to one of more than 60,000 pharmacies in our network, where you, the member, will enjoy discounts of 10 to 85% on most short-term and acute care medications. Now, on top of that, we also partnered up with a physician and hospital referral network, which you'll be able to save anywhere from 10 to 40% off at over 400,000 participating physician offices and hospitals. Again, guys, for $29.90 a month, you have unlimited access to U.S. board-certified physicians, which are going to save time and money, so you don't have to go and spend 3 or 4 or 5 hours at a doctor's office waiting to see the doctor when there's a room full of sick people where you have to take time off of work to go see a doctor. You can literally pick up the phone, speak to a physician within seconds or minutes, and if a medication is warranted, you can go pick it up and go back to work or whatever the case is. But guys, for $29.90, unlimited, and this covers the entire household. Also, we have Coast to Coast Vision, which is going to save you 20 to 60% off on prescription eyeglasses, including frames, lenses, and specialty items at participating retail locations. We've also got a vitamin program where you can choose over 400 brands and 12,000 items in stock and enjoy savings of 10% on already low prices. Hearing, you can enjoy access to a variety of hearing programs which provide hearing aid discounts from 15 to 35% in retail locations nationwide and discounts of 40 to 60% through the mail order program. We've also got lab and imaging services, which offers discounts of usual charges for blood tests and all other lab testing. Members receive discounts of 10 to 60% off usual charges for MRI, CT procedures while utilizing credentialed radiology providers. Also, we have our Aetna Dental Access. You know, Aetna is a very popular company and very well-known name. So we partnered up. We brought on the Aetna Dental Access portion for people that do have dental insurance and for people that don't. And in most instances, members may save up to 15 to 50% off on services from general dentistry and cleanings to root canals, crowns, and orthodontia. This will help you use more of that, you know, specified coverage, whether it's $1,000, $1,500, or $2,000 a year. This is going to help you put more of that money back in your pocket so you can get more access and more services for that money. As we all know, you know, braces nowadays cost anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000, so that's a lot of money out of pocket, and our program is there designed to help you save money on the services that you need on a daily basis. So once again, these are ancillary benefits to help you on your day-to-day life. Also, that comes with our program is the Legal Care Direct Family and a Legal Care Small Business. You know, these services include 9 free services, which include unlimited initial phone consultations for new legal matters, initial one-on-one consultations for new legal matters, attorney review of independent legal documents. So an attorney's there to review your documents. They're there to assist you in solving problems with government programs such as welfare and insurance. They'll also give you a free simple will. They'll make phone calls on your behalf. They'll write letters on your behalf. So, you know, a lot of these benefits are free, and this is something that I know a lot of people are taking advantage of. We've also got the same thing for a small business, which includes initial phone consultations, initial letters, phone calls made on their behalf, collection letters, one-on-one consultations. Guys, all this stuff is free, which is fantastic. We've also got a fantastic roadside assistance, which is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You 365-day access to towing service, flat tire, fuel, battery, and lockout assistance. Covers the entire family, even dependent children up to the age of 26. We've also got an optional benefit, which is the Safe Identity. It is a proactive program specifically designed to identify identity theft in its early stages and help bring the member's identity back to a pre-theft status.